Nditimurano nene riu icunirie gatagati-ini ka aruti wira migunda-ini ya macani na ruhonge rwa kuramata wendi wa macani bururi-ini KTDA kurumirira rĩanĩrĩra rĩa ica ikuhi ria muikarĩri gĩtĩ ruhonge-ini ruru Peter Kanyago agithinyeria maritanya-ini ria kugura macini cia kugetha macani na niguo kuhuthia ngarama iria arimi makoretwo magitungana nayo.
We as KTDA now are also planning to see whether we can use tracking machines, but these handheld tracking machines. Recently you saw an advert which we did in the newspapers, and that will be to do some experiment to mitigate against the labor.
Kuringana na Kanyago, igeria ria mbere ria macini ici itanyitwo kwambikwo thiini wa matinga ma Kagoshi na Kagaita na kuria thutha-ini icio macini ici itanyitwo gutwarwo matinga-ini mothe 69 maria makoragwo rungu rwa uramati wa KTDA guothe bururi-ini.
Most of the money goes to the tracker as opposed to the farmer, so that's why we want to experiment with these shears and the machines so the farmer can take home more money.
Ona gutario uguo ndeto ino ni yamukiritwo ni negeni nene ni arimi ya macani aria maugite ndeto ino ndingikorwa rikihonia kia mathogora maigoto maria makoretwo makiamukira. Gwa kahinda gaka arimi makoretwo makiriwo ciringi 15 hari kilo ya macani hari o mweri na kuria bonathi ya mwaka muthiru arimi makorirwo makirihwo muigana wa ciringi 50 hari o kilo.
Most of the farmers, I can tell you, they are satisfied with the 16 shillings we are now paying them, because some of them saying don't add any more money, because that more money you add is going to the farmer.
Ruhonge rwa KTDA rukoragwo rukiruta makiria ma gicunjĩ kia 60 kia macani maria mendagio guku Kenya na rukoragwo rukiramata arimi makiria ma 600,000 guothe bururi-ini. Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV metha-ini ya wonjoria njĩtagwo Waithaka wa Kinyua.